Imagine a stunning fusion of classic elegance and modern power. This is exactly what Ringbrothers has achieved with their latest masterpiece, the Octavia. Known for their exceptional customizations of classic American automobiles and their impressive accolades at the SEMA Battle of the Builders, the Wisconsin-based team is now setting their sights on the prestigious Monterey Car Week. Their newest creation is a bold reinterpretation of the iconic 1971 Aston Martin DBS, and it's nothing short of extraordinary. The Octavia, as it's aptly named, boasts a longer wheelbase and a striking carbon fiber widebody that commands attention. Under the hood, it houses a supercharged Ford 5.0-liter V8 engine that churns out an astonishing 805 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission that promises an exhilarating driving experience. While the Octavia started its journey as a genuine 1971 Aston Martin DBS, virtually every component has been replaced, with the exception of the VIN, the inner door window structure, and the original Aston Martin emblems found on the valve covers of the V8 engine. In a clever twist, Ringbrothers crafted custom valve covers that not only fit these original badges, but also added a playful touch by modifying the name to read Aston Martini. This is further complemented by a uniquely designed dipstick handle shaped like a martini glass, paying homage to Aston Martin's legendary association with the James Bond films. The meticulous craftsmanship involved in creating the Octavia took over 12,000 hours, and the results speak for themselves. In true Ringbrothers fashion, no detail was spared in this ambitious project. The rear track has been widened by an impressive 10 inches, while the front track has been expanded by 8 inches and the wheelbase has been lengthened by 3 inches. To accommodate these significant modifications, the team designed a bespoke carbon fiber body that rests on a custom chassis from Roadster Shop. The engine bay was also reimagined by Gary Regal of Regal Design to fit the powerful Ford Performance supercharged V8 and the 6-speed manual gearbox seamlessly. Co-owner Jim Ring expressed the vision behind Octavia, stating, "This car is a blend of cutting-edge fabrication and creativity. We pondered, what kind of vehicle would an MI6 agent choose for a vacation? And this is the result of that inquiry." The Octavia is adorned in a sophisticated 00 silver, accented with nuclear olive green highlights on the badges and brake calipers. Speaking of brakes, this stunning Aston Martin is equipped with custom 14-inch Brembo brake rotors, featuring 6-piston calipers at the front and 4-piston calipers at the rear. Inside, the completely redesigned interior showcases luxurious pleated leather, exposed carbon fiber details, and stainless steel trim, with door handles crafted from machined brass. Notably, this marks the first occasion that Ringbrothers has unveiled a vehicle during Monterey Car Week, with the official debut taking place at the Quail. As you can see, the Octavia is not just a car, it's a statement piece that blends history with innovation. But here's where it gets controversial. Some purists might argue that such extensive modifications detract from the original charm of the Aston Martin brand. What do you think? Is it a brilliant reimagining or a step too far? Share your thoughts in the comments.